In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the pattern printing programs in Python. The logic in every programming language will remain the same, but according to every language, its syntax and its structure will vary.
We have to print a star in the question given to us. In this, we are seeing that it has row as well as column. First of all, we will use for row and then for column. Remember, each time we'll use the I for the outer loop and for the row and J for the inner loop and column. Once we find the number of rows and columns, then we have to check the relation. Then we check that for the I, how many stars are available on J, and from that we have a relation which we will use in our program.
Now we are going to use that relation in our for loop. If the condition is true, then it will print the star, otherwise it come out from the loop.
I hope in this video you have understood that how we do star print. See you soon in the next video. Give love to the video. Do write, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. All the best.